Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Braves Diva, my little peanut, and you are beautiful 17. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is my little peanut by Braves Diva. This is such a cute polish. Cute name, cute polish. It's like a creamy white but not a stark white, and it's got these little bits, and it really does remind me of like peanuts. Like, I don't know, so cute. So the first coat went on really well. I didn't have to do any cleanup, and here we go with our second coat. And I guess it's kind of acrylic. I thought, you know, I guess, I don't know, it's more of a cream, I don't know. And I am gonna do a third coat. I probably could have gotten away with 2, but you know, sometimes we go for that third one anyway. So there we go. I'm going to top it with Sesh Feet today. It's a little unusual for me to use this as a top coat. It used to be my go-to top coat, but I really got tired of the shrinking and the just, you know, getting halfway through the bottle and it being a sticky mess. So I do still have a lot of it, so I will use it from time to time. There's my swatch photo. I'll be using that You Are Beautiful 17 plate and my Conad Stamper, Beauty Scraper, and Clean Colors Coffee Addict to stamp with today. Not a stamping polish, but it does work so nicely. Here we go. I'm fixing to show you what I think about this one. Ta-da! Excellent stamping. I am cleaning that stamper off on my lint roller, and the plate is getting cleaned with pure acetone. We're just going to go ahead and do another nail with that same image. I don't know, I might do them all the same image. Sometimes I get in that kind of mood. Yep, I think that's what we're going to go for today. I didn't want like a straight up Christmas design, but this one was kind of Christmassy. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and remove the excess from around my fingernail. Look, that stuff's coming up so good. And I'm going to break out my cleanup brush and some acetone and do a little bit more cleaning. This one's going to get topped with Pure Ice Girl on the Run. I am remembering how much I love this top coat. It's nice to, you know, have top coats that you know how they're going to behave, and this one's a really good one. So here's my mani in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.